Assalamu alaikum. Media literacy. We live in the age of social media, print media, electronic media. In this video clip, I will talk about the media literacy. Hello viewers, I am Dr. Yusuf. I welcome you all in my channel 5 Minutes Information. This is episode number 153, and in this episode I will talk about the media literacy. In this video I will talk about the 4 important points. Number 1, what is media literacy? Point number 2, why media literacy is important for us? Point number 3, what are the key characteristics of the media literacy? And point number 4, what are the challenges of media literacy? Come to the point number 1, what is media literacy? Media literacy is a broad-ended understanding of literacy that encompasses the ability to access, analyze, evaluate, and create media in various formats. It includes capacity of reflect critically and act ethically, leveraging the power of information and communication to engage with the world, contribution positive changes. Media literacy applies in different types of media and is seen an important skill for various contexts, including work, life, and citizenship. Media literacy is important not only for the journalist or social media expert or analyst. It is important all of us. Example of media literacy including reflecting on one's media choices, identifying sponsored content, recognizing stereotypes, analyzing propaganda, and discussing risks and harms of media usage. Point number 2, why media literacy is important for us? Point number 1, combating misinformation. Point number 2, critical thinking development. Point number 3, understanding media influence. Point number 4, active citizenship. Point number 5, recognizing bias. Point number 6, responsible consumption and creation. Come to the point number 1, combating misinformation. It enables user to distinguish facts from fiction, reducing the spread of fake news. Point number 2, critical thinking development. It encourages questioning the source, purpose, and accuracy of content rather than accepting it at face value. Point number 3, understanding media influence. Media literacy helps people recognize how media shapes opinion, attitude, and behavior of their audience. Point number 4, active citizenship. Media literacy empowers individuals to engage thoughtfully with news and politics, promoting more informed society. Point number 5, recognizing bias. It helps individual identifying stereos, biases, and hidden agenda within the media representation. Point number 6, responsible consumption and creation. Media literacy fosters a better understanding how content is created, encouraging more responsible, ethical sharing of information and copyright law. Come to the point number 3, what are the key characteristics of media literacy? Number 1, critical thinking and evolution. Number 2, awareness of media influence. Number 3, understanding media formats and techniques. Number 4, active access and usage. Number 5, responsible content creation. And number 6, come to the point number 1, critical thinking and evaluation. Media literate individuals don't accept information at face value. They analyze credibility of sources, evaluate evidence presented, distinguish between facts and opinion, detect bias or propaganda. Number 2, awareness and media influence. Media literate persons understand that media construct reality, shapes beliefs, behavior, and perception. This includes understanding that media, such news or social media, has a specific hidden purpose or agenda. Number 3, understanding media formats and techniques. Media literate person recognize that different platforms like social media versus journalism, electronic journalism versus print media have unique convention that influence how messages is received. They understand how media creators use specific techniques, sound, sound image framing to grab the attention and evoke emotions. Point number 4, active access and usage. This involves knowing how to find negative, utilize various media tools and platforms, not just passively consuming information. And point number 6, contextual awareness. It involves placing media messages within their social culture and political context, recognizing that media is a reflection of societal construction. Now come to the point number 4. What are the challenges of media literacy? Here are some important challenges of the media literacy. Number 1, polarization of misinformation and disinformation. Number 2, technological complexity like AI and deep fakes. Number 3, algorithmic polarization. Number 4, lack of formalized education. Number 5, information overload. Number 6, conceptual misunderstanding. Number 7, digital divide and access. Come to the point number 1, proliferation of misinformation and disinformation. The sheer volume of false information, especially on social media, makes it hard to distinguish facts and fiction. Point number 2, technological complexity like artificial intelligence, AI and deepfake. Advancement in artificial intelligence, AI, such as deepfakes, make it increasingly difficult to trust visual evidence. Demanding news, complex evaluation skills is required to evaluate the information, either it's a right or wrong. Number 3, algorithmic polarization. Social media platforms often prioritize content that triggers emotions over the accurate information, feeding into chambers and polarization. Number 4, lack of formalized education. There is no standardized universal definition or curriculum for media literacy in schools, making implementation uneven. Point number 5, information overload. The sheer quantity of daily information create a noise overwhelming of critical thinking capacities. Number 6, conceptual misunderstanding. A general lack of public awareness about the media literacy actually is a hinder advocacy and adoption. And number 7, digital divide and access. Inequality of access to the technology and digital resources prevent equal opportunity for learning these skills. Here I conclude the episode number 153 about the media literacy. In this episode, I discussed 4 important points about the media literacy. Stay connected with 5 Minutes Information channel. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching till the end.